I'm going to make chili chicken. It's a very simple recipe. It needs green chili, it needs fresh chicken and soy sauce. And this is a wonderful dish, normally used for snack, and it goes extremely well with a glass of wine, red or white. This is my recipe. I have used approximately 750 grams of chicken, and this can be a chicken thigh, drumstick, or even chicken wing. And I have used this many chili. The whole thing is it's going to be chili chicken, which is really hot and spicy, and it will give you a bit of a zing when you're eating. And soy sauce, you've got to use dark soy sauce, and I'll be using approximately 100 ml. So basically the way I'm going to do, put them all in one bowl like this. Just put them all in here. That's all you do. First part is you have to marinate them, and then put the soy sauce and put enough so that it gets immersed. So I think I'm going to use about 100 ml, and then make sure they're all immersed in there. Yeah, that's it. That's really it. Maybe a little bit more. And yeah, that's all you do. And then basically you cover it with a cling film in a cool place, preferably in a fridge. And I would suggest you marinate it for at least 2 hours, if not overnight. This is what should look like, immersed into soy sauce. The next stage is to slush the green chilies, and this is how I've done it, which is just slush it through the middle. That's all you need to do, and then fry in oil. I'll be adding approximately 3-4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in this pan, and then fry these chilies in the hot oil. Once the chilies are fried properly, I will add chicken and then cook for maybe half an hour or until the chicken is tender. Okay, oil is nice and hot. I'm just about to add chilies in the oil. Yeah. And yeah, that's the way, and it's going to be it's going to take a few minutes to fry these chilies. In fact, once the chilies are fried properly, they will look like this. Be warned, it's going to be really very strong. You may start sneezing. I think it's ready for. I think it's ready to add chicken now. While cooking, keep an eye on the chicken and turn them from time to time. And if the juice has dried out, then add a little bit of hot water from time to time. It's almost done, maybe another 5 to 10 minutes. The cooking is done. This is what it looks like when it is completed. Very little sauce, almost dry. This is meant to be a finger food. This is my special chili chicken. This is what it looks like. It goes extremely well with a glass of wine, either red or white. Chili chicken my style.